Hello my friends, I have to be honest with you. The first time when I started making templates for Davinci Resolve, I wasn't very good at it. My knowledge was very limited, and because of this the first few templates were horrible at the best. Today I decided to improve my first template. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine here is in Transitions. Just drag and drop transition which one you want. Drag and drop like this. Connect just like this. Press number 2 on the keyboard for media out and you will get the animation. Now when you ungroup, as you can see, I have one background. Go inside the merge. Just duplicate with the merges. And animation is done in the merge. Very simple. And if you want to change the color, just click on the background and change the color. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.